Want to know how to abuse respawn timers in Paladins? Abusing respawn timers is super easy. What you need to do is respawn timers decide matches in Paladins, so that is very important in our behalf. So after winning a team fight, do not rush into the objective. Never do that. Make sure you push forward and stagger kills instead. Make sure you farm kills instead. So each delayed kills add 10-15 seconds to their reload. This gives you free payload progress or capture time. This is how you easily farm respawn timers or abuse them so that you can win the game easily with less effort. One smart stagger can win entire rounds and even the game. This is how you abuse spawn timers in Paladins, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. You can go and try it yourself right now. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.